Now let's talk about objections, because this is where most deals fall apart. And here's the truth: objections are not necessarily rejections, they're just a sign that the buyer needs more clarity. So instead of avoiding objections, you need to learn how to handle them the right way. And it's actually very simple. Every objection follows the same three-step formula. Here's how I like to handle that formula. Number one, understand. Number two, reframe. Number three, close again. So step one is understand. You acknowledge what they're saying. Things quite literally, you're going to tell them, I totally understand. That makes sense. I hear you. You're not fighting them. You're trying to align with them. Okay? Step two, reframe. You try to shift the way they're thinking. You ask questions that bring clarity. For example, if they say, we want to think about it, you would respond with, of course, this is a big decision. What specifically are you unsure about? Now, getting to the real issue, right? Because that's the whole point. And they're going to say something like, because I want to think about it. This is not the real objection. It's just a surface level response. Step three, close again. Once you have the real objection, you solve it. Then you go right back to the close. Is there anything else that would stop you from making an offer today? That's it. Now let's go through a quick example. Buyer says, this home feels overpriced. You would say, I totally understand. And price is important. Let me ask you, what matters more to you? Getting the lowest price or getting the right home with the right monthly payment? Now you're reframing, right? Then you're going to guide them with facts. You bring in numbers, comps, monthly payments, and then you close again. Say something like, based on everything we've gone over, is there anything else holding you back from making an offer on this home? That's the whole process. It's not rocket science. It's actually pretty simple. And here's the key. Most objections should have been handled before the showing. If you did your prep right, that's often the case. There shouldn't be many objections left. So remember this. Objections mean they're interested, they just need help making a decision. Next, we're going to break down how to actually close the buyer and get the offer signed.